Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a side shortcut to desktop screen using the Chrome browser. So open the Chrome browser and suppose this is the website that you want to add to shortcut. So there are two different ways to do that. One is that you can resize this the browser screen, and then in this customize icon here in the address bar, you can just simply drag and drop anywhere on your desktop screen and it will create a shortcut. Now this is one way to create the shortcut. There is other way which is built in the Chrome app. You can just click on this three dot options and go to save and share, and here you would be able to see this create shortcut option. Just select that and it will ask you to rename the shortcut. Now you can just rename it and then you can just select create. So it will add the shortcut in the taskbar, as well as if you go back to your desktop screen, you would be able to see a new shortcut which is created. So these are the two ways that you can create the shortcuts for your frequently visited sites in Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.